So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'm here to deliver a special requested video from one of my subscriber, that is lactose. Okay guys, so right here I have some oat milk and I have some plant-based vanilla ice cream, yeah, and I have some frozen strawberry right here, and today I will be making a strawberry soup, a cold strawberry soup. So what I'm gonna do guys, I have 1 scoop of plant-based ice cream here. I'm gonna put it inside my blender alongside with my frozen strawberry, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of oat milk. Okay guys, and then from there all I'm gonna do is just blend. Give it a little shake, then so yes guys, my cold strawberry soup is ready guys. And this one, no need to add any sweetening agent because I'm using ice cream. Wow, look how beautiful that is guys. And yes guys, you have made it to the end of another video. Wow, look how beautiful this is guys. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in another video. Goodbye.